Have you always wanted to document your travel stories and let the world know about them? Photos and videos on Instagram and other social media sites are the best platforms to share your tales, but can you really cash big time out of it? Maybe you can if you try your hand in vlogging. Travel vlogging has become one of the big trends that are followed by many travelers who visit new places, explore nonsense of destination and offer tips and tricks to help fellow travelers. So if you are someone who would like to indulge in this and join the bandwagon of travel vloggers, perhaps a few tips could help you in the process. We have listed our set of travel vlogs tips for beginners so that we will surely give you a good idea about how to approach travel vlogging. So let's start. Avoid filming everything. Sure, your experience of visiting a new places might be super enriching. The thrills of exploring a new neighborhood and recording the things that you have just witnessed are very natural. However, your viewers do not need to know everything. In fact, you also do not have to record each and every moment of your trip. Do not be involved in travel vlogging that you forget having a good time on your trip. So let's go to the next point. Get the right equipment. The right equipment is an essential for every vlogger. Now, this shouldn't be scare you. By right equipment, we don't mean a heavy-duty camera or expensive gimbals. You can start from a smartphone with great camera too. The idea is that your phone should be able to capture the video in the best quality to be used across all media channels. So let's go to the next one. Focus your vlogs on a specific activity or a place. With many possibilities of things that can or must be shockers to the viewers, you might often get confused. Hence, a structure is essential to deliver a story that does not make the video complex and hard for viewers to comprehend. Maybe focus on few relevant things that would weave a great story for your travel vlog, or take an approach where you have a lot to offer. Whatever might be the case, focus well and tell a story. The shorter the video, the more immersive they are. Always keep your videos short and cute. Understand that there is a time limit for people to be attentive to your videos. The shorter the video with more content, the better it is for the viewers to enjoy an ideal time on your channel. Much like the elevator pitch where you need to convince an investor to hand you the money, vlogging videos need to be short and well thought out as well. The only way you can sustain a viewer's attention is by compiling a set of videos that depict a story. Next one is very interesting. Flaunt yourself. It's your channel after all. Confidence is key to making a very cool vlog and engaging the audience. Sure, you might be super camera conscious and might even stutter a little out of all the anxiety being on camera comes with. However, you mustn't shy away from the lens and instead practice to perfect yourself. Your face and your voice should shine on camera. People will remember you and recognize you as a travel vlogger if you talk to the camera and make viewers feel like they are part of your journey. Include your travel buddies in your videos too. Have you met someone new on your journey or traveling with a buddy? How about letting your followers and the world know about them? Locals of tourist destination love indulging in vlogging videos. You could actually make it very immersive experience for the viewers by asking questions to your buddy on camera. They might even spill some beans on places to explore and things to do in the neighborhood that will help your followers. What's your travel point of view? That's very important. Show the world a travel vlog is basically how you view the world. So why not give your followers your perspective? Not everybody would have the same eye or experience in places like Goa. Some might just stick to the beaches, while others go bananas on a banana boat ride with family and friends. But is that your view? Maybe a chubby cat sprawled on compound wall near the beach could be your view of Goa, or a fabulous shot of the sunset. Go ahead and learn about your own personality as you record travel vlogs. Establish a good shot. It's very, very important. A good video shot should be more than enough to depict where you are, the purpose and experience the viewers will see. A premise is best set when a price shot is clicked, which perfectly describes the place. For example, starting a video with a bird eye view of the Paris from the Eiffel Tower, or a very cool shot of the Eiffel Tower would give viewers an idea of where you are and would further make them stay on the blog. Ensure that your video is steady and not shaky. Nobody likes a badly produced video. Even you will just skip the video or blog if the skins are jerky or shaky, right? It's because people prefer to watch a well thought out and produced video that comes with excellent quality. So one of the important things to make note of would be very conscious of how you would record a video. Use stabilization tool in video editing if necessary. No doubt, good music always amps up the mood, be it movies, music videos or vlogs. The songs you choose and the background score you add to your vlogs change the vibe of the video to the next level. If it is a bungee jumping vlog, for example, use some heart-thumping rock or pop track to get the adrenaline rushing through the viewers. Take some inspiration on other travel vlogs. It is recommended that you check out other vloggers and their travel vlogs. There's no harm in drawing inspiration from other famous folks on the internet to come up with vlogs ideas accordingly. Now that you have all the essential tips you need, perhaps use the remaining months of 2021 as your year to kickstart a travel vlogging career. Make up for the all-time loss in 2020. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like this kind of content, please do write to us. And myself Satish signing off from this channel, not me, South by Satish and Stuti. And see you on the road. Bye-bye.